everyone, this is Shivani here. Welcome to my channel Shivani Creations. Today I am going to show you how to make this very beautiful and very easy quilled magnet, and for the back support I have used toothpicks. Isn't it very cute? And I have also added some hangings in the bottom part. So let's start with procedure. For this we need some 3 mm quilling strips, scissor, quilling tool, liquid glue, plier, some T-pins or eye-pins, some pearls, some jump rings, magnet, some toothpicks, any color cardstock, and some strong adhesive. First I am taking the toothpick and adding glue on this, and I will add total 5 toothpicks on this in cross manner. Add these toothpicks very carefully. Let it dry for some time. Now it's little dry, so I am rotating this. Adjust toothpicks again. And now I am adding glue again, and I will add 4 more toothpicks in this direction. Let it dry. Now I will show you how to make this cute bird. First I am taking one strip of pink color and making one tight coil. Here I am making pink color bird, so it's done. Now for the body, I am taking 2 strips of pink color and making one loose coil. And then make a bended teardrop shape. Like this, secure the end. Now I will connect the body with the face. Now for the beak I am using 1/8 strip of orange color. First make a teardrop shape and then make a heart shape like this. Connect the beak also. My one strip length is 45 cm. Now I am adding eye. Here I am using googly eye. If you don't have googly eye, you can add any black color paper circle. Now to make tail, I am just making some loops using pink color strips like this. So here I am making 4 loops. Cut excess strip and secure the end using glue. Now I will connect the tail with the bird's body like this. Let it dry. Now here I am making some small flower. For this I am taking 1/4 strip of yellow and 1/8 strip of orange and making one teardrop shape. In the similar way I have created 5 more teardrop shapes, and I am adding these teardrops to make a flower. So flower is ready. Now to make leaf, I am using 1/4 strip of sap green and 1/8 strip of dark green and making one leaf shape. In the similar way I have created 3 more leaves, and I have also created one scroll using 1/8 strip of sap green color. Now the toothpick grill is dry, so I am taking this orange color heart and I will connect this heart with this toothpick grill or toothpick net. And now I will add both of the birdies. Like this. Now after that I will add flower and leaves and scrolls in the left corner. Let it dry for some time. Now here I have created some red color tight coils using 1/3 strip of red color strip, and I will add these tight coils on rest of the heart area. Like this. Now here I have created one dome using 2 strip of yellow color, and to make a dome I have used this quilling mold and added glue inside this. Now I am inserting one eye pin through this, insert one pearl, cut excess wire and twist this using plier like this. Now I am inserting one jump ring through this and insert this jump ring from this toothpick net on the bottom part. Secure the jump ring. In the similar way I have added 2 more hangings on left and right sides. Now here I am taking one paper flower for the back side to attach the magnet. You can use any shape, circle, square, to connect the magnet with the toothpick. So add glue, connect this paper flower first and add some strong adhesive on this and connect the magnet to this and let it completely dry for few hours. So it's dry now. Here I have added blue bird instead of pink bird because I thought blue birds are looking more gorgeous on orange background. And I have created one more magnet using pink birds using yellow background and added blue color hangings on bottom part. The magnets are done. So my project is done for today. Hope you enjoyed my video. Please subscribe my channel for more interesting videos and don't forget to click on bell icon for the latest updates. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.